When we originally started, we weren't different. We used the same post peeler as our competition. And my boss is unique, I guess, and he likes to be different. And we invested a lot of money on dowel machine. So instead of a post that's 5-inch on one end and 4-inch on the other, our post is a true 4-inch or a 5-inch, which is perfect all the way down. They're catchy and they're beautiful. Well, let me back up. Not only is it for looks, the truckers like it because the bundles are all perfect, so they're not shifting in transport. The chemical we use is only for in-ground contact. It's friendly to the environment, and as far as longevity, it is the longest treatment you can use for these poles. We use red pine because it's here, it's close. And red pine is the only species that we can get to treat. It's the only species that will take the treatment itself. I wouldn't say we're a fairly green industry. I would say it is sustainable forestry. I mean, our goal is to have timber in 100 years from now and continue on. Our children can continue on doing what we're doing.